So, I've already done 3 colors so far, so I thought we would just capture what I've been doing. I'm not saying that I'm doing it right, I'm just saying that this is how I did it, and then we'll see what kind of results that I get. So, I'm pretty sure I'm concentrating these too heavily, but I can dilute them later when I'm actually using them, because the only instructions I found said the ratio is 3 tablespoons of vinegar to 1 teaspoon of dye. So here we have our dye, here we have our teaspoon. I've already put the vinegar in there, just so you didn't have to watch me measure out tablespoons of vinegar. Okay, so it's already going in there. And then I'm adding some water to start with the stirring. Now I've got a plastic spoon so I don't have to wash it, and the tutorials that I've watched show methodical amounts of stirring, so much stirring, and being really careful with the ratios, and either making it look a whole lot like science or a whole lot like cooking, and I am bad at both, and I want instant gratification, so this is what I've come up with. It's just 3 tablespoons of the vinegar, teaspoon of the dye powder, add some water, stir till it looks good. Which they said basically if you let some particulates stay, you'll end up with blank spots on what you're dyeing. But that's fine. This is my very first time doing this, I just want to see what happens. So I've mixed up that much so far. This is, the one tutorial I watched said liter jars, all we could find were 32 ounces, so this is a quart jar. So, doing our funnel, pouring that much in. And then adding additional water, which hopefully adds to the mixing process as far as helping it stir. And I've chosen a very bad pitcher because it doesn't have a spout. But basically it's hot tap water that's had a little bit of a chance to cool while it sits there. So it's warm, but it's not unpleasant to the touch. And then back with the plastic spoon. And this lighter color, this yellow, you can actually see the particulates swirling around down at the bottom. So the goal is just to dissolve it as best that you can. So basically we've got the jar. And then that's what I've done with each one of these. We've got the chartreuse, the blue, and the orange so far, and then this is the yellow. And we'll see what happens.